Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? In this video I'm going to tell you about an exchange, OKEx. It allows you to earn satoshis, and now as the price of Bitcoin is skyrocketing, this is a great opportunity. You can simply earn by watching ads, and this is not an ordinary pay to click form. This pays a very huge amount of satoshis, and it is bloody damned easy, and I have proved it how that it is legit. So let's go straight forward to the website without wasting any time.
So we are here on the website platform, and you can see this is the home page. When you go to the website, this is what you will see. First you will have to verify your own account. See, go to the verification. It is pretty simple verification, but it is a must, so that they know you are one single person using only one account. Because if this is not here, anyone can make 1,000 of accounts, and then they can make limitless money from this website. So they have put a check. It is so much simple. You just upload your own photograph and photograph of your identity or your ID card. It is bloody simple, and this allows you to earn. So you have to click on your profile and go to verification. Once that is completed, you can start earning. And how to do that? You go to the more tab. It is same on the mobile phone and on desktops. You will go to the options and find more, and more you will click on free Bitcoin. You click on it, and here you can see you have the ads. You have 5 ads daily, and for each advertisement you get 50 satoshis, which is a very high rate. So let's just click on it. See, I will here click on it, and the ad opens. The ad opens in a new tab, but I personally suggest you that you guys go back to the original tab where the clock will be ticking. See, the clock is ticking, and you just have to wait 60 seconds. Although you can go to other websites, like I can go to any website I want, and the clock will keep ticking, but I suggest you that you do come back here when the timer ends, before the timer ends. See, so I am here, and this is a very good website because it gives you 50 satoshi for each and every ad. And now that the price of Bitcoin is going very high, this amount means a lot. For a single ad, this is a huge amount. And in the end, I am going to tell you how you can earn even more from this. First, let's wait for the advertisement to end. You see, the ad is nearly ended, and we will have to do anti-robotic activity to prove that we are human beings. See, it asks for select all the billiards. Here I can see, even if I get it wrong, let me demonstrate that too. I am deliberately choosing a wrong option to tell you guys that if you choose the wrong option, even then it is no problem. It gives you another puzzle to solve. See, when I click on OK, it says please try again, and now I have to choose trains. Here 1, 2, 3, these are the trains. 1 are the thermometers and some switches. So these are the trains, and when I click OK, that's it. I have got 50 satoshis straight away. See, 3,450 satoshis that I have earned. And what is this 8,150 satoshis from referrals? See, that is what I was talking about. I have one referral, only one referral, Ubaidur Rahman, my very dear friend. I invited him, and the earnings he is doing comes to me. Nothing is affected on his earning. He gets 250 satoshis daily, and I also get 250 satoshis when he earns. But there is an upper limit. Only 10,000 satoshis can be earned from him. He can continue earning as much as he wants, but when he earns 10,000 satoshis, I will stop receiving the commissions. So for one single referral, at most I can get 10,000 satoshis from that person, and it will not affect the earnings of referrals. So it is no harm to make as many referrals as possible. See, I have made one referral, and he has earned more than me because I am a very lazy person. So very good job. And you can see I have total claimable 11,600 satoshis. Keep in mind, 10,000 is the minimum withdraw. You must have 10,000 satoshis to withdraw. See, I already have more than that. So okay, let's demonstrate how to withdraw to although I was not planning to do that, but still, let's do it. I'm going to claim my earnings. So you must be knowing that to claim your earnings, you must give it a Bitcoin address. I prefer Faucet Pay here. I have already opened it. So let's enter the amount, and amount must be an integral multiple of 10,000 satoshis. See, I entered 10,000 satoshis. Claim complete. See, it will now come to my exchange account. OKEX is an exchange, but this is a separate part of the exchange where you do the earnings. Now, when I go back, you see my claimable satoshis 0, and I have claimed 10,000 satoshis. And let me go to the assets thing. Here, see, my total balance has increased, and I have this money in exchange. I can exchange it for any other cryptocurrency, or even I can trade with it. I can trade and I can keep earning more and more with this. So guys, do give it a try.